Today we're diving into the features of the Gocheer Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor, a versatile tool perfect for artists, modelers, and decorators alike. This high-pressure airbrush kit boasts a remarkable 48 psi, delivering a 60% performance boost with an airflow of 8 to 10 liters, ensuring stable and efficient results for a variety of applications like art painting, model coloring, cake decoration, nail art, and makeup. With its 3-gear adjustable air pressure settings of 25, 30, and 40 psi, you can easily customize the pressure to suit your project needs by simply touching the air compressor button. The dual-action design allows for precise fluid control and pigment regulation, minimizing waste and maximizing your creative potential. Beginners and experts alike will find this airbrush kit easy to master, making it an ideal choice for tasks ranging from miniature painting to traditional art drawing. The non-clogging spray gun features an adjustable tailstock, allowing you to switch out needles effortlessly, ensuring a smooth and advanced airbrushing experience. Whether you're enhancing your artistic skills or exploring new creative avenues, the Gocheer Airbrush Kit is your go-to tool for achieving professional quality results.